If you're looking for some entertaining inspiration, well, I have you covered with these delicious Kabana pigs in blanket. They're a lot of fun and they're an absolute crowd pleaser, and you only need minimal ingredients. So we'll start with the Kabana. Kabana is traditionally a Polish sausage. It's smoked and it's got lots of lovely spices in it. You'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry, preferably square for this recipe, and we're going to cut this into triangles so we can wrap the pastry around the Kabana sausage. So first we'll go straight down the middle and cut 4 squares. Next we're going to cut this into 8 rectangles. And then these rectangles get cut into triangles. Okay, so just with a sharp knife, we just want to make sure everything is uniform. Okay, and I've kept the plastic on here just to make it much easier to handle. So now that the pastry is done, let's get onto the Kabana. I'm going to cut these Kabana sausages into thirds, like that, line it up, and then we've got our Kabana sausages all even. Okay, now for the fun part, we'll take 1 piece of the pastry and working with 1 at a time. I like to start at the long end and wrap it up. And that's our first little pig in blanket. And I really want to expose the Kabana on each side so we know what type of sausage that we're eating. So this goes onto a tray, and then I like to brush it with some egg wash, just a little bit on the pastry to make sure it goes lovely and golden. I also want that egg wash so my sesame seeds stick. So a little sprinkle over the top. And that's the first one done. Now these take no time at all to cook in the oven, 190 degrees for about 15 minutes or until that puff pastry is golden brown. Kabanas in blankets look fantastic. You can see the puff pastry, all the blankets have become lovely and golden brown and puffed up. So we're going to place them onto a plate. Do allow them to cool slightly. If you've got a big crowd coming over, maybe for the footy, you can pre-make these, leave them in the fridge, and all they take is that 15 to 20 minutes to bake in the oven until they're lovely and warm. They look fantastic. Of course, the obligatory tomato sauce on the side for dipping.